Boogie, 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 boogie. Pow, pow, pow.
Like non-stop.
You know.
Bullets after bullets.
Bullets after bullets.
The chilling video shows what the man hiding behind this door heard Friday night. The cold-blooded murder of Abdikarim, which was caught on tape. His grieving father, Mohammed, the man referred to as the Wayne Gretzky of Somali, receiving a lot of support from the community as he tries to understand why someone opened fire on his 18-year-old son and 5 of his friends.
Somalian community, thank you for the neighbors. That will happen for anybody in the human being.
Witnesses say what happened here was an attempt at a massacre. The 6 men were trapped by these 2 walls beside them, bullets coming at them, and this locked door behind them.
Obviously, the actions of the shooter are very discriminate, and they're meant to inflict maximum damage. There are a number of people who suffered multiple gunshot injuries because of the close proximity. Some of these people were actually struck by the same bullets more than once.
Investigators say they still don't have a motive, and Abdikarim's family says the reports that he was a gang member in his Lawrence Heights community are false.
It's not true. Our boy was never involved with anything like that. Unfortunately, is it because of the color of his skin that makes him a gangster? Because he was a Somali black kid that was born in this country? I mean, our son was far from that.
If you think you know who this person is, homicide detectives would like to hear from you. If you wish to remain anonymous, contact Crime Stoppers. At Police Headquarters, Dwight Drummond, City News.